So how do you remove background in a Snapseed on the iPhone and on other devices as well? But if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So at first we get inside the Snapseed app, right? And we can work or start working with a new image. So I'm going to come back to the main page. This is something that you are supposed to see and click on the add photo at the bottom. And at first what we are going to do is that we're going to pick like the image which we want to have on the top. So at first I'm going to choose like this logo of mine, right? So I'm going to select it as such. And what I can do right now is swipe up on the tools and add the double exposure. This pulls up another like the gallery pull-ups, right? And it just basically lets me select like another image from the gallery. So let's say I'm gonna pick this thing as the background, right? And right now you can see it kind of looks like this. I mean, I can sort of blend the images together, but I'm gonna leave it as it is right now. Hit the done and then click on the layers at the top. And when we get there, you can see I have the original at the bottom and I have the double exposure there. But what I'm going to click on is that I'm going to select the mask right in here and essentially select the area around my logo right there. So it's not going to be like perfect or anything, right? And it will basically be like the way to make that kind of like work. Right? And now when we come back and hit it done, we should see what happened, right? So not much. So let me come back to the mask again and essentially just delete it like this. So now I'm gonna hit it done and hopefully something did happen. So if we come back to the edit and now slide it like this, you can see that now we sort of removed the white background behind it and we have this picture on the top of it, right? So that's as far as we can go with the Snapseed. I'm not saying it's the best solution. I just wanted to show you what we can do in Snapseed. But if you actually want to end up with good results, I know it's not like the best practice to recommend you a different app, but if I would really want to be like the best with this type of approach, I would instead be using Hypig, which is also a free app you can download. And let me show you what it would look like in this app, right? So we would open it up and we would choose at first the background image, which would be this one, right? And then from the bottom portions, I would choose the image right there. So I would essentially try to find the ability to like add things on the top, right? So as you can see, this is the image which we are working with, but we can most definitely click on the overlay and add like another image on the top. You can see that we have the ability to quickly select it and kind of like choose the image which is supposed to be kept and the rest will be deleted, but I like to choose the auto, right? Because it selects it perfectly. Now I'm gonna hit it done and as you can see, we have a nice picture, clean one on the top of the other one like this, and we can resize it, we can duplicate it, we can do whatever we want. So as you can see, it works a little bit better, I would say much better in the Hypig app compared to this Snapseed app. But you know, the tutorial was about Snapseed, so this is how you can do it in here. But if you want to get the best results, I'd recommend you the Hypig. So again, it's the Hypig, which you can get for free on the App Store. I'm not affiliated with them or anything, but yeah, that's my guide on how it would work. Let me know what you think below, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.